Hello everyone! Well done for joining me for phonics today. To take part in today's learning, you're going to need a lined piece of paper and a pencil. Pause the video and collect the things you need and then click play when you're ready to begin. Let's begin. We're going to start by recalling all of the sounds that we've already learnt. They have been shuffled though, so make sure you look very carefully. Well done everyone! What we're going to do now is read some common exception words. It's really important that we know these words well because they appear lots in reading books and they are also very useful for when we construct sentences. Can you read each of the words? Remember, if you need some thinking time, then just click pause and then click play once you are ready. Well done for persevering to read all of those words. Now, I've got a common exception word quiz for us, and the words we're going to write today are homophones. That means that they sound the same, but they are spelt differently. So the first word I would like you to write is the word there, but the spelling of there that shows the position of something, where something is. This spelling of there does have the word here hidden inside of it. Can you write it down? We're going to check this spelling now, but if you're not ready, just click pause and then click play once you are ready. Did you spell it correctly? Can you see it has the word here hidden inside it? That's a good way of remembering that this spelling of there is talking about where something is, the position of something. The next spelling of there that I would like you to write is the spelling of there that shows that something belongs to some people. It is their coat. We're going to check our spelling now, but if you're not ready, just click pause and then play when you are ready. Did you spell it correctly? Can you see? This spelling of there is showing that something belongs to some people, and it does have an I in it. That gives me a clue that it's somebody's things. I. Can you see? There are two sentences here. The one at the top has there as in the position of something, where something is, and it has the word here hidden inside it. There is a cat on the lawn. The second sentence has the word there, showing that something belongs to some people. Their cat is on the lawn. The cat belongs to somebody. We are ready to master a Phase 5 sound today. I wonder which one it will be. It is the diagraph. Woo, woo. Can you practice saying the phoneme? Woo, woo. Which two letters make up this diagraph? Do you know which letter families they belong to? The W is a zigzag monster letter. Let's practice forming it in the air. Put your finger on the green dots and go down, up, and flick. One more time. Start on the green dots, down, up, and flick. Now, the H is a one-armed robot letter. We must start at the top and go all the way down. Are you ready? Start at the top, down, up, over, down, and flick. Let's do that one more time. Start at the top, down, up, over, down, and flick. Let's practice writing it on our paper now. Are you in a good writing position? Do you have 2 feet on the floor? And are you sitting comfortably on your chair with your back against it? Make sure that your hand is holding your paper still. Now, put the tip of your pencil between 2 lines on your page. And we'll do the W first. We're going to go down, up, and flick. Well done for taking your time and really focusing. Now, let's do that H. Start at the top. Down, up, over, down, and flick. Are both of your letters sitting on the line? Excellent. Excellent. Now, pause the video and practice writing this diagraph. Then click play once you're ready. Well done for practicing your letter formation. Before we read some words, I would like you to use your finger to underline the diagraph in each of these words. Do you notice something about the position of the diagraph in each of these words? Now, pause the video and read each of these words, spotting that diagraph right at the start, and then click play once you've done so. The first word is when. The next is whale. Did you notice the split diagraph in the word whale? Then it was the word wheat, then witch, whisper, and whirling. We are going to write some words now, and the first is the singular word wheel. Let's stretch it out together. Wheel, wheel, and put it on your phoneme fingers. Wheel, wheel. Can you write it down? There are 2 digraphs in this word. Can you add your sound buttons to show me that you have found both digraphs? The next word has the suffix ing on the end because it is a verb which is happening now. It's the word whisking. Let's stretch it out together. Whisking, whisking, and put it on your phoneme fingers. Whisking, whisking. Can you write it down? There are 8 letters in that word. I have another 8-lettered word for you now. How many whiskers can you see? At the bottom. There's definitely more than one, isn't there? So we'll need to write the plural of whisker. Whiskers. Let's stretch it out together. Whiskers. Whiskers. And put it on your phoneme fingers. Whiskers. Whiskers. Can you write it down? We're going to check our spellings now, but if you're not ready, just click pause and then click play when you are ready. Can you tick or fix each spelling? Wheel has 5 letters. Whisking and whiskers has 8 letters. Did you remember to add the H to your W to make the phoneme? It's time for us to read a sentence. Before we do, can you spot any common exception words in the sentence? Circle them with your finger. Can you spot any words with the W digraph in them? Underline them with your finger. Did you spot all of these common exception words? Now, I would like you to pause the video and read this sentence 3 times to help with your fluency. Then click play. Have you read the sentence 3 times? Let's read it together. There was a big wheel whirling and people were whizzing around with their friends. Did you spot that we had both spellings of there in this sentence? Do you remember we call this a homophone because they both sound the same, but they do not have the same letters? Do you remember which one means that something is belonging to somebody? And do you remember that the other is talking about where something is, the position of something? We have learnt so much today. Well done for mastering the diagraph with me. I hope you had fun.